Hello, my friends. I'm going to try doing a straight pour today with a limited palette of black, white, silver, and garnet. The garnet is a beautiful metallic by Deco Art. And to the white, I have added some satin enamel. So we'll hope to get an effect with that. And the silver is also a matte, it's a Deco Art Matte Metallic. Black and white are just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So let me quickly mention that I'm going to visit my sister again in Arizona for about 12 days. So I'm trying to come up with videos to play about every 3 days while I'm gone, but I don't know that I'll make my goal. I'm running behind, but I'll do the best I can with some simple pours to keep you entertained. So here we go. Let's hope this is a success. I'm thinking of starting with I think I'll start with a plain black, and then I'm going to do a half and half thing, a black and silver. This is just Floetrol as a mix. I'll put the ratios down below in the description box. And then maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Let's do red and white side by side. The white seems to be a little runnier than the other. And maybe just a layer of black. Black and silver, but I'll switch sides this time. Maybe red and silver. Did I do that? I don't think I did. Let's see. I might as well pour it all in. Oh, I have a lot of white left. Okay. Here we go. Let me quickly mention that I was on my website the other day and I reduced the prices of almost all of my 2019 work. Pours, embellished pours, oil paintings, color pencil drawings, pastels, a little of everything. So if you'd like to take a look, go check out chrissypaints.com. The link is always listed down below. And here we go. Now, I'm not using my normal polyacrylic mix, and it's already kind of, losing its crispness, but who knows? It might work out. Here we go. I think I'll pour it like this. Oh, I forgot my turntable again. Okay. Well, in the cup, I'm seeing some little lacy looking pearls, but I don't see, well, there's a few popping up there. I'll save that. And wonder if I should pour what I have. I think I will, for maybe I'll get a little negative space over here and two opposite corners. Okay, here we go. Sorry, false alarm. I should spread that out a little bit. I wouldn't usually waste the, you know, the one I've put satin enamel in to use for a base coat, but I didn't have anything else ready, and I got to use up what I've mixed up here. So buttons. Okay. Oh, that's fun. I like that. I wonder if I want white up there as well, but I don't think so. I think I'll open it up a little more. Oh gosh, that garnet is gorgeous. Really took over the painting, but it's such a beautiful color. Isn't that funny? The black just, it shaded the red and the silver, but just kind of disappeared. Oh, I like it though. Wow, that's wild over there. Trying to visualize what that would look like if it wasn't negative space. I normally like negative space, but I don't feel that's doing much for the composition. So I'm going to stretch. I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm bringing the weight to the center of the canvas, and now over this away. Oh my gosh. The black and the silver and that garnet mixed together here, and I don't know if you can see that color right here is just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna come down here and do the same with this corner. Can you hear my husband talking to the dogs? Oh, wow. That is wild. I rather like it. Oh, one little dog is excited about dinner time. Get rid of that one little white corner up there. Oh, wow. I hope you can see the color on video here. It's just amazing. This color right here and there. Wow. Listen to that crazy dog. I'm trying to change up the shape of this corner here, but I don't know that I want to mess with it anymore. Without, you know, I'm still going for it, aren't I? Just don't like the look of that, so away it goes. Okay. Okay, I'm happier now. Oh, that is wild. I like it. And I think as it develops, maybe I'll pause and bring you back in a bit, because I think some more of these little white areas are gonna, little cells are gonna pop up. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I was hoping for something dramatic, and I think I got it. So I'll say goodbye, but I will tack on a little bit more on the end if it changes much. Okay. All right, my friends. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Okay, well, I needed to bring you back because it changed, I think, quite dramatically. It developed more cells. Now my husband is singing. And I didn't bring you in for a close-up, so let me do that now. I didn't measure how much satin enamel I put in. I just added to the white I had mixed probably a good tablespoon. So that's definitely what made all these effects. So no silicone, but lots of cell action. A lot of Floetrol as well. I don't know. This is capturing the color. It looks a little brighter through the camera than I see in person. Although as I draw back, it's more what I'm seeing. Anyway, I like it. I think it's fun. It's kind of like going through a clogged artery. There was a movie like that, wasn't there? I can't think of the name of it. Okay, my friends, well, there you go. For what it's worth, that is a crazy ring pour with satin enamel. Thanks for watching. See you later.